Everyone thinks the best-selling chainsaw chains for Stihl are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, KAKEI 16-inch semi-chisel chain. First up is the KAKEI chainsaw chain, a 16-inch semi-chisel option priced at $22.39. What caught my attention is its solid 4.6-star rating from over 14,800 reviews, which says a lot about its reliability. If you want an affordable chain that delivers consistent performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The semi-chisel design helps reduce kickback and provides a smoother cutting experience, which is crucial if you're working around tricky branches. With 55 drive links and a .043 gauge, it fits perfectly with popular models like the Stihl MS170 and MS180C. The chain is made from high-quality German steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear, while the Japanese chrome plating technology keeps it sharp and ready for action. Plus, it comes pre-lubricated, so you don't have to worry about rust right out of the box. Now, some users mention that the chain can dull faster than expected, especially when used on hard woods. But here's the thing, while it may require more frequent sharpening, the price and performance balance still makes it a great buy for light to medium tasks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable chain that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs top-notch longevity for heavy-duty use. For the price, it offers excellent value for money. Now, if the kickback feature of the KAKEI 16-inch chain bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KAKEI 18-inch full chisel chain. Next up is the KAKEI 18-inch full chisel chain, retailing for $30.90. It boasts the same impressive 4.6 stars from 14,800 reviews, which is a testament to its quality. If you want speed and precision, this is worth a serious look. This chain's full chisel design is all about efficiency, making it perfect for fast cuts through softwood. With 68 drive links and a .063 gauge, it's compatible with Stihl models like the MS250 and MS251. The hardened rivets and heat-treated steel help resist wear, so you get a chain that lasts longer and requires fewer adjustments. The sharpness of this chain is impressive. It cuts through logs like butter, saving you time on your projects. However, it's important to note that some users experienced kickback issues, especially if they weren't careful. This is a serious chain that requires experience and training. If you're a novice, you might want to consider a safer option, but if you know what you're doing, the speed and efficiency are worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a seasoned woodworker or logger needing a high-performance chain. Skip this one if you're just starting out or if you prefer a chain that's easier to control. It still offers solid value for the performance it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a shorter chain. Product number 3, KAKEI 14-inch semi-chisel chain. Coming in third is the KAKEI 14-inch semi-chisel chain, priced at $21.56. With a 4.6-star rating from 14,800 reviews, this chain is quite popular. If you're looking for something compact yet effective, this is worth a serious look. The semi-chisel design helps reduce kickback, making it a safer option for those less experienced with chainsaws. The German steel construction ensures that you get a durable product that can handle light to medium tasks without falling apart. And just like the others, this one comes pre-lubricated to resist corrosion. Some users have pointed out that it may not hold an edge as long as they'd like, especially if you're cutting through tougher materials. But honestly, for the price, you can't expect it to compete with higher-end options. It's a solid choice for occasional users. This is perfect for you if you own a smaller Stihl chainsaw and need a reliable chain for light work. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty cutting. It gives you good bang for your buck, making it a smart buy. Next, if you like the convenience of multi-packs, you'll want to check out the next product. Product number 4, FUNKYW00 18-inch full chisel chain. Next up is the FUNKYW00 18-inch full chisel chain, which comes in a pack of 4 for $29.74. With a 4.4-star rating from over 3,700 reviews, it's still a favorite. If you want multiple chains at a great price, this is worth a serious look. The full chisel design gives you that fast cutting speed, great for tackling bigger jobs quickly. The heat-treated construction means you can expect a longer lifespan, saving you money in the long run. Plus, the chain's outer layer is designed to resist wear, so you spend less time on adjustments and more time cutting. However, some users have reported that the fit isn't as snug as they would like on certain models, which can be a bit frustrating. But here's the thing, once you find the right fit, you'll be impressed with its performance. This is perfect for you if you want a bulk buy for your chainsaw and don't mind a little extra fitting work. Skip this one if you need a chain that fits perfectly right out of the box. For the price of 4 chains, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something similar but in a smaller size, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, FUNKYW00 16-inch semi-chisel chain. Finally, we have the FUNKYW00 16-inch semi-chisel chain, which is also a 4-pack priced at $21.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 3,700 reviews, it's a strong contender. If you want reliable chains that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The semi-chisel design minimizes kickback, making it a safer choice for newer users. The heat-treated construction ensures it cuts smoothly and lasts long, while the industrial chrome layer adds extra durability. Some users have noted that it can be slightly less aggressive than full chisel chains, which might slow you down a bit. But here's the thing, if you're cutting in tighter spaces or doing delicate work, that's actually an advantage. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly chain that balances safety and performance. Skip this one if you need to make quick cuts through thick wood regularly. For the price, it's a great deal for 4 chains. That wraps up my top picks for the best chains for Stihl chainsaws. So to recap, we've got the KAKEI 16-inch chain for affordability, the KAKEI 18-inch full chisel for speed, the KAKEI 14-inch for compact versatility, the FUNKYW00 18-inch for bulk value, and the FUNKYW00 16-inch for a balance of safety and performance. Each one brings something unique to the table, so consider what fits your needs the best.